Alright, what's up mga ka-Investa and welcome to first ever Investa Pro League video trade dissection of the trades of our top 10 participants. So, today I am with one of my teammates, si Renzo. So, Renzo, pakilala ka naman. Baka di ka pa kilala.
What's up guys? I'm Renzo.
Yun. Siyempre, kilala natin si Renzo sa Investa Learn, dun sa BizTalk. So, spot nyo dun yung mga video and sa YouTube. So, today, the both of us, we're going to take a look at itong sa Investa Pro League. Marami ng participants natin sa top 10 up 20% all the way to 40%. And we're going to take a look at trades sila, what were some of the big trades they made. Yung mga maraming similar trades na na-take. So, we'll take a look at that. So, game. I-share ko na yung screen ko.
Game. Machi-machi pa tayo ng cup.
Oo nga pare. Hindi to planado guys ha. Pareho kaming sponsored by Under Armour.
Yes. Alright.
So just show you guys, ito yung top 10 natin. So number 1, si Luke 10, right? 43% up. And then we have the Vinsoy Trader, 40.27% up. O itong dalawa pare, mga top 10 nung 2018 Trading Cup.
Oo.
Very consistent.
Natin yan. Sino to? Sino itong top 3?
Si DPR Live, up 32%. Parang di ko rin alam eh. Pero lagi lang yan nandyan sa top 1, 2, 3.
Parang familiar eh. Parang familiar. Sino kaya itong mystery trader na to?
Ewan ko.
Sino
So, spot na lang
4?
natin. Yan, si Jetson up. Yan, medyo malapit to, no? Itong hanggang top 5. Kasi hanggang top 3 lang may prize eh. So, yung medyo close sa top 3, ito, naglalabanan yung top 3, 4, and 5. Medyo malayo na yung 6 and below eh. Medyo 10K na yung agwat. So, antabayan natin next week yung final trading week for the Pro League. So, without further ado, let's go. Trade dissection na. So, yung i-highlight natin for now is trades are profitable. And then next week, yung last week, announcement of winners, we're gonna make a run through of majority of the profitable winning trades ng top 3. Yung mga winners. So, first, for this week, meron mga nag-trade ng ACE-PH. So si ACE-PH, if we look at the structure, right, from a daily standpoint, we can see an inverse head and shoulders, right? So my left shoulder and then yung head, and then dito yung right shoulder. And then yung neckline niya sa 214 area. So parang yan yung breakout confirmation. But now if we zoom in closer, right, to the right shoulder, we'll still see meron pa yung mga trading opportunities, a swing trade or an opportunity to position yourself before the breakout. And one of our participants, as you can see sa green arrow, dito bumili. And actually, during that day, yun yung day na nag-gap down si ACE-PH. I believe meron siyang bad news na may something na nangyari. Alam mo ba, Renzo, kung ano yung news?
Hindi, sir. Ano ba nangyari dyan?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Basta may nabasa lang ako na kaya bad news. Na-share din sa team. Nakalimutan ko lang specifically. So that's why nag-gap down siya. Pero medyo parang irrational selling yung nangyari. Kasi hindi naman siya directly affecting yung business operations sa sobrang bad talaga. So yun, so nag-gap down pero yun nga, since medyo irrational selling, pwede siyang opportunity to buy for a quick bounce. Yun yung ginawa ng isa nating participant. So quick lang, binili niya 220, which was, if you also zoom out again, medyo close to support area. Yung support yan sa mga 218, pero kung strike levels lang, pwede na yung 220. Tapos benta yan sa tuktok sa 228. So that was a quick, I think 5% gain. So yun.
Genius.
Alright, ikaw naman, Enzo.
Alright, so the next trade na napansin namin, marami sa inyo naka-trade nito, PXP. So, ang pinaka-common level na tinitignan natin is yung 6 pesos. So, medyo psychological support siya. No? So, nung nag-break siya and nag-support siya and nag-bounce siya around 6 pesos, may kita natin na at this point, maraming trader na nakahanap ng trading opportunity noong nagko-consolidate siya dito. Tapos, nung nagbe-break siya sa consolidation, marami sa top 3 natin ang nakakuha nun. And easy 7% gain na yon sa port nila. So, napakagandang opportunity pag tumingin ka talaga sa intraday charts. Alright. So, PXP. So, yun. What's the next stock, Toma?
Okay, so next we have IDC. So, if we look at the past structure, ganito yung itsura niya eh. Not taking into consideration na nag-breakdown siya last 2 weeks ago. Yung initial breakout niya, yung nag-205, tas ito ata nag-230 plus. So, meron din mga nakapag-trade yan, pero di ko na i-highlight muna kung sino next week na yun. But now, ito na yung itsura ng structure niya. So, it's forming something like ascending triangle or symmetrical triangle. And now, medyo nasa crucial levels siya. So, 190, nasa support, right, ng short-term uptrend line na to. And if na-break yung 190, potentially baka lower dip na siya sa 180 tas or even lower pa. So, antabayan na natin yun. And yung confirmation breakout would be 220. But if we zoom in much closer, we'll actually see that there is a trading range of available kahit na may trading opportunity. So yung buong range niya 16%, pero meron niya mga short-term trades sa pwede 7 to 10% upside. I think 1 or 2 of our participants were able to trade this. So we have IDC here. And as you can see, nag-breakdown siya. After niya mag-up all the way to yung mga 230 plus, nag-breakdown siya. And then it found support. So nag-break below 2 but found support at 197. Dito sakto. Right sa low dati. And then 1 or 2 of our participants were able to, or rather was able to get it sa pinaka-low at 1.97. As nahuli niya yung bounce pero di niya binenta kaagad, right? Nag-up sa 2, nag-above 2, nag-consolidation pattern, then it broke out. And after the breakout, basic na nabenta niya sa dating resistance. I'm not sure if anong time frame titignan niya, but I'm assuming since medyo short-term trade, short-term swing trade, he was probably using either the 3 or 5 or 15-minute chart. So here I pulled out the 5-minute chart. And sakto, yung benta niya sa 211, yung tuktok eh. Ay dito rin sa dating resistance. So nabili niya sa bottom, nabenta sa tuktok. So genius pare, quick 7% gain.
Sakto.
Okay, next.
Okay, so the next one is may kita natin tinrade to ng top 3 and may kita namin from the other top 10 participants rin tinrade nila ta. So Nickel Asia, may kita natin nung nag-breakout siya at around this level dito sa green area na to, sa 2 pesos. Nag-support siya dito kung may kita nyo yung red candle. Nag-bounce siya doon. So paki-zoom in na lang, Toma. So pagka-zoom in natin, may kita natin yung trade opportunity nung sinalo nila yung trade na to dun sa bounce at around 2.06, 2.05. Tapos sinaktuhan nila yung benta nila nung nag-resistance siya at around 2.16 pesos. So medyo genius trade din to. So napakagaling ng mga traders natin kasi sakto yung mga pag-buy and sell points nila. So that's it for nickel. Ano yung next natin, Toma?
Alright, so lastly ngayon, we have Ditto. So, I think this one, ito, bonus na lang. This one was, I think, late last week nangyari. But so, there was a day na nagka-bad news na about Ditto. Right now, whatever dia tuloy launching, hindi ko alam yung specifics. Pero yun, nag-gap down siya really hard. I think it gapped down in the open 8-9%. But if you had your moving averages out, you'll see na it opened right above EMA to EMA 20. At the same time, nag-dip pa siya lower. Right? So, sakto nag-support sa EMA 20. So wala pang confirmation during the day, but potential trading opportunity. And I think 2, 3, or 4 out of our sa top 10 natin was able to trade this. So this is one of the trades na gusto ko i-highlight. Kasi nabili niya halos sa pinaka-low. So yung low nito I think was 3.22. Nakuha niya 3.23. I'm pretty sure the setup here was yung bounce sa EMA 20. Tapos potential baka bullish. I forgot lang yung environment. Baka medyo bullish yung environment. So may opportunity talaga for a bounce. So nabili niya 3.23 and then basic lang 10-minute, ay di naman 10-minute trade. So he sold it after around 1 hour. So nagdalawang tranche ng selling after 1 hour and then after another hour. So una, right? So nag-bounce siya sa pinaka-low, right? Up 8% din nabenta niya dito at this area. So sakto. Diba 350. And then if you zoom out pa, if you look back, sakto yan. Dating kung intraday time frame tinitignan mo, diba? So may resistance dyan. And then dyan din nauntog. I think the high was around 3.53, 3.54. So nabenta niya bago a little bit below 3.5. So pwede strategy din kasi yun eh. So let's say for example, diba, you want to sell at resistance. You don't have to sell it exactly. Let's say 3.5 na yung resistance. Minsan kasi ang kapal ng bids ay ng offer dun ng ask. Tapos minsan baka di ka na matamaan kung mauntog yun yung stock. So pwede mong gawin, lagay mo at a lower level. So kung 3.50 yung TP mo, pwede ka na magpila 3.48, 3.49 habang medyo magaan pa yung ask side. Para at least, just in case mauntog yung stock, for sure, may feel ka pa rin bago umabot sa 350. Right? Okay. So that's it no ng trade dissection for Investa Pro League. Right? So next week is the last week na, no? So 1-month competition na to from June 15 to July 17. Wishing all the participants the best for the last week. May the best traders win. And just a reminder lang, of course, sundan natin yung rules, diba? Nag-check yung mga moderators natin. So yun, good luck to everyone. Ikaw, Renzo, may final message ka?
Alright. So for me, congrats sa mga nakapunta sa top 10. Exciting tong Pro League na to. Yun lang.
Yun, alright. Okay, thanks guys. And again, good luck to everyone part of the Investa Pro League. And let's see next week kung sino yung top 3 na manalo. Okay, bye-bye.